Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can craft a bow in Hytale. So if you're looking at this tutorial, chances are you've just joined the game and you're looking to get your first bow. In order to do that we are going to need a workbench. If you open the workbench here, you can see on the workbench that the bow is available to craft if you have sticks and plant fibre. In order to craft a workbench, however, if I open up here and look at my crafting tab, you can see that the workbench is available in the middle. You're going to need tree trunks and stone. You can get tree trunks by chopping down trees, which it is possible to hit with just your hands, but you can use a hatchet to speed the process up. And then once you've done that, you can also go ahead and craft a crude pickaxe using some rubble, plant fibre and sticks, which normally you can get by just hitting some bushes here, for example. If I hit these bushes, you can see that they will eventually drop some sticks for us. There we go. And if you need rubble, you can normally find those either in your starting cave or in riverbeds. There's lots of rubble over there in the riverbeds. But once you've crafted your tools, you go ahead and craft the workbench. And then once you've crafted the workbench, you can go ahead and craft the bow with some sticks and plant fibre. Plant fibre is also dropped from hedges, so we can go ahead there and press craft. And then once we've done that, we can go ahead and drop that into our hotbar, and we can also craft crude arrows with sticks and rubble again. So I can do that. If I want, I can also craft a lot of arrows by doing this, and it'll just continually craft as many as I've got. And now we've gone ahead and got our bow, and in order to draw this, we just click our left mouse button, hold down on that. We've now charged our shot, and again, if I just release on my left mouse click, we go ahead and fire. So that's how we go ahead and shoot a bow. So that's how we go ahead and craft a bow in Hytale. I hope this tutorial has helped.